A former Samsung executive has been arrested and charged with stealing trade secrets in order to build a copycat microchip factory in China. This is Katy Craig in San Diego, California. The unnamed individual allegedly obtained blueprints and trade secrets from Samsung and attempted to set up a microchip manufacturing facility in China. But rather than obtaining approval from Samsung executives, the accused managed to secure funding from investors in China and Taiwan. With these funds, they began producing trial chip products based on the stolen technology. The theft is estimated to be worth several $100 billion. The arrest and indictment highlights the significant breach of trust and potential financial impact resulting from the theft of intellectual property. The legal proceedings will determine the extent of the individual's involvement and the consequences they may face for their alleged actions. This case comes on the heels of the U.S. sanctioning investment in China's chip, AI, and quantum tech, and serves as a reminder of the importance of safeguarding advantages and trade secrets. This is Katy Craig. Stay safe out there.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.